What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to 31 days of blend, and this is day 29. So today's video is a blend request that was made by Vivica. She said, can you please do a blend of color 30, 33 and silver? And I was like, I'm gonna do this for you, of course. Now, if you don't know, I actually add a blend request of color 2, color 30 and silver, and that one went up before this one. I decided to just add what it looks like at the end of this video side by side with what this one looks like at the end, so that you guys can see the difference. But if you love to watch it, I'm going to link it in the description box below, so click on it and go check it out. And yeah, that is it for this video. I'm not going to be doing so much talking. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy watching the video. And yeah, if you are watching for the first time, hello, my name is Toby. We just hit 1000 subscribers here on YouTube, and to say thank you to my subscribers, I decided that I would just create videos that they enjoy the most on my channel, which is my color blend video. So I just decided to dedicate 31 days of my life to creating this content just for them. And this is day 29, so we have just 2 more videos to go, and that will be the end of our 31 days of blend. If you are watching for the very first time, thank you so much for joining us today. Do subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button, it is right below this video. Turn on the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you'll be notified when next I post any of other video. And if you've not seen the other videos, go check them out. I have a playlist dedicated to all my blend videos, so you can see them there. Click on them and watch them, and yeah, just have fun in there. I'm very sure that you're going to enjoy it in there. And if you have any blend requests, if you have any blend that you want to know how it will turn out, just drop it in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to do just that for you, just the same way I did for this 31 days of blend, because most of the videos uploaded for this blend was requested blend. So yeah, join the family and do that, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, you're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.